Hey all, Ankit Kishore this side from Stay Fleet team, and I welcome you back to my channel. So I have taken this strangle, although I have to do a lot of adjustment in the starting only, cause of the movement that is coming. Okay, because of the spike in the premium that is coming. So what I have done till now, if you'll see, I have I have kept a strangle of 550 C and 050 PE, and I just booked it very early cause the premium difference became very high, 10 and 19. So I just booked it very early, and after then I took a re-entry in 50 and 500. That is this one only. Okay, look at the spike. Still there is spiking, nothing happening. If you'll see, market is just at that point only where it was, okay, in the morning, and still the premium spike is just happening a lot. Okay, can't help it, we just have to sustain with it. Maximum loss for the day is 12k or 13k. Okay, I won't be taking anything more than this. So let's see, today is today is Wednesday, so I'm expecting a good decay and it should come anytime. Okay, let's see when it will be coming, or maybe I have to do a lot of adjustment before that. Let's see. So now, what is the adjustment point for me? Very simple. If any one of them again will hit 24, okay, then I will switch another side, one strike above, and after then what I will be doing, I will be putting SL in both the side. What I just said कि अगर मान लो आप ये P24 को हिट करता है तो मैं ये C500 को कन्वर्ट कर दूंगा 450 C पे. ओके, फिर उन दोनों का मीन 450 C प्लस 050 P का जो स्ट्रैंगल होगा उनमें मैं ऐसा लगा दूंगा पर हेड. अगर 24 प्रीमियम मुझे दोनों में मिल रहा होगा या फिर 23 मिल रहा होगा, तब भी मैं 29 का ऐसा लगा करके छोड़ दूंगा. दिस विल बी द एडजस्टमेंट पॉइंट. ओके, दिस इज हाउ आई एम प्लानिंग टू ट्रेड नाउ. Let's see, I will be giving you update on this later on. Okay, just be with me. Okay guys, quick update. Time is 10:20 and as of now the running profit is 2.2k to 3k. It is ranging in between this. Okay, and yeah, expecting some decay from here also, but yeah, it will take some time. But at the same time, if you'll see, market is exactly in between, but the difference in the premium is quite high, and that is what leading me to take very preemptive adjustment decision. Why I'm saying that, even if P side premium is very high, after that also P side में स्पाइक बहुत हो रहा है और ये 24 to 28 इन अ मैटर ऑफ नो टाइम ये रीच कर जा रहा है. तो या दिस इज़ द रीज़न कि मुझे यहाँ से ऑब्वियसली आई हैव टू शिफ्ट इट टू समवेयर एल्स, अदरवाइज इट विल स्टार्ट ब्लीडिंग, एंड मतलब कि बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ से वो ब्लीड करेगा तो फिर लॉस होगा, ऑब्वियस सी बात है. सो आई हैव टू डू द एडजस्टमेंट, प्रीएम्प्टिव एडजस्टमेंट, राइट. तो व्हाट इज़ द एडजस्टमेंट पॉइंट फॉर मी नाउ? सी, एज एंड व्हेन इट विल रीच 27, ओके, 27 अगर रीच करता है तो फिर मैं इसे स्विच कर दूंगा 050 पे, दिस वन, इस पे. ओके, उस समय ये कुछ 20 रन कर रहा होगा और ये कुछ 14 रन कर रहा होगा. आई नो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑल्सो द डिफरेंसेज ऑन द प्रीमियम विल बी देयर, बट वी हैव टू लुक बोथ थिंग, delta as well and the strike difference as well. What do I mean by saying this? See, as of now it is exactly in between. Look, 300, okay, 18300. This is also 200 point away, this is also 200 point away. It is a 400 point strangle, right? But the difference in the premium is just 5 points. What, and the way P is spiking, तो अगर ये यहाँ तक भी जाता है 283 पे, ये 27 28 टच कर देगा, ठीक है, 27 टच कर देगा, तो फिर मुझे इसे स्विच करना पड़ेगा. ओके, लेकिन हाँ, उस समय इसका प्रीमियम ज़्यादा होगा इससे, बट प्रीमियम अगर आप मत देखो, अगर आप सिर्फ स्ट्राइक देखो तो आपको लगेगा कि ओके, पी जो है सी से थोड़ा फार है, still the premium is good. So obviously I will expect a good decay from there. This is how I will be trading today. So yeah, let's see. I will be giving I hope this made sense to you. Okay, and okay, I will be giving you update on this later on. Okay guys, quick update. Time is 11:08 and as of now the running profit is between 6k 7k, and yeah, I did a few adjustment, and those are initially when I made last clip. So I was trading far OTM strikes, but now I'm with 200 point strangle, that is 200 P and 400 C. okay, और अभी मैं इसी को होल्ड कर रहा हूँ. और या मतलब इन बिटवीन व्हाट हैपेंड, आई वाज ट्रेडिंग विथ where it is, yeah, 400 PC and 250 and 250, yeah, एंड 250 पी। ओके, मैं इन दोनों को ट्रेड कर रहा था, 350 पी सी एंड 250 पी। ओके, इन दोनों को मैं ट्रेड कर रहा था 100 पॉइंट का स्ट्रैंगल को, बट पहले मेरा एसएल इस पे गया तो मैंने इसे स्विच कर दिया 200 पे, फिर मेरा एसएल इस पे गया तो मैंने इसे स्विच कर दिया इस पे। ठीक है, मतलब कि हुआ क्या, व्हेन आई वाज ट्रेडिंग विथ 250 पी एंड 350 सी, तो फिर मेरा 250 का पी जो था उसका पहले एसएल हिट हुआ, जिससे मैंने क्या करा, उसे स्विच किया मैंने 200 पी पे। ओके, उसके बाद फिर मैं आपको चार्ट पे दिखाता हूँ, यहाँ पे मेरा एसएल हिट हुआ था तो फिर यहाँ पे मैंने 200 पे शिफ्ट कर दिया, फिर इसके जस्ट बाद ये ऊपर जाने लगा तो फिर मेरा 350 का सी जो था वो एसएल हिट किया, फिर मैंने उसे 400 पे स्विच किया। अब इन दोनों को मैं होल्ड कर रहा हूँ। ओके, एंड नाउ एसएल विल बी जस्ट ब्रेक इवन। ओके, आई वोंट बी टेकिंग एनी हिट नाउ बिकॉज आई एम इन द ट्रेड फ्रॉम द लास्ट almost 1.45 means 1 hour 45 minutes. So yeah, break even point will be the SL now. Okay, I will try to gain whatever I can from here now. तो ये हुआ, अगर ये एसएल हिट नहीं करता इन दोनों में से कोई भी, अगर थोड़ा और वो भी मेरा एसएल एक यहाँ पे हिट हुआ और एक यहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली यहाँ पे हुआ है, ठीक है, तो कांट हेल्प इट, ये हुआ तो हुआ। और या अभी इसका एडजस्टमेंट की अगर मैं बात करूँ, मैंने दोनों का एसएल लगा रखा है, ठीक है, जो मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा धीरे नीचे करता जाऊँगा और फिर मैं आई विल ट्राई टू कैपिटलाइज ऑन दिस। ओके, लेट्स सी हाउ मच मोर आई कैन कैपिटलाइज फ्रॉम हियर। और फिर इसके बाद एडजस्टमेंट पॉइंट वही होगा, अगर इन दोनों में से कोई भी एसएल हिट होता है तो फिर मैं उसे स्विच कर दूंगा एक स्ट्राइक ऊपर, ऐसे मैं अब करूँगा। अब मैं कम प्रीमियम पे खेलता रहूँगा, मैंने ज़्यादा प्रीमियम ले लिया। इनिशियली व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग, आई वाज ट्रेडिंग विद द लीस्ट प्रीमियम, देन आई वाज स्लोली एंड स्टडी आई वाज गोइंग अप, बट नाउ अब मैं ऐसा प्ले कर रहा हूँ कि अब मैं सबसे ज़्यादा प्रीमियम लिया हूँ, जो भी ऐसा हिट करेगा उससे मैं दूर करता जाऊँगा, इधर हिट किया तो इसे दूर करूँगा, इधर हिट किया तो इसे दूर करूँगा, फिर ऐसे करते हुए मैं थोड़ा धीमा प्रीमियम करता रहूँगा, सो दैट आई विल बी रिस्क्ड ऑफ at the end. Okay, this is how I am planning to play. So let's see, I will be giving you update on this later on. Okay, then quick update, time is 2:32 and as of now I have booked everything at cost to cost. Okay, I was running in a very good profit of 12k 13k, but sudden fall, wait, let me show you this sudden fall has just spiked the call put side premium and it has taken everything. Okay, I was running in 12-13k profit, although I have booked everything in between. अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं तो वेट आप देखो, मैंने हर कुछ बुक कर लिया था 11:28 तक में ही, उसके बाद फिर मैंने अभी एंट्री किया था 2:15 पे, और अगर आप देखोगे ये फॉल भी इसी वक्त स्टार्ट हुआ, तो bad luck for me I would say. As in when I took entry in this, after then only this big fall happened and it took everything, and I booked everything here with like what I just forgot actually the exact figure, but yeah, so उसके बाद फिर मैंने यहाँ 215 पे एंट्री करा. The maximum profit which I have seen is 13-14k. Okay, but I was looking for something big, but yeah, this fall has taken everything. As when I took entry here, and what if you'll see, I just took exit in just 5 minutes. Okay, means here only when it reached here somewhere here I took exit. Okay, so yeah, no problem. I will be taking entry. I will be taking re-entry, but not now. I just wanted to just stabilize a bit. ओके, उसके बाद फिर मैं यहाँ पे एंट्री करूँगा और जो टाइमिंग होगा एंट्री का वो होगा 2:55 और 2:50 इन इस वक्त ही मैं कहीं एंट्री करूँगा, और अगर मैंने एंट्री करा तो डेफिनेटली मैं आपको बताऊँगा. आई विल लेट यू नो कि मैंने कौन सा स्ट्राइक चूज़ किया, एंड आई विल जस्ट ट्राई टू कलेक्ट पेनीज. ओके, नाउ टुडे ऑल्सो आई थिंक दैट इट इज़ मोर और लेस kind of what I can say break even kind of day as of now. Yesterday also it was a break even day, but at the end in just 2 or 3 minutes just calls had spiked and I got a good loss of 5-6k, although this is not a big loss. Why I'm saying this means why I'm just focusing a lot on just 5-6k, because right now I'm playing with a very small quantity. Okay, the fund size which I am having is 39 something, and I'm just playing very safe right now, only cause of one reason, that is this month is not going at all good for me. Right now I'm more or less break even. Okay, so I just don't want to give big, or obviously I just want to keep my buffer zone for Thursday, that is tomorrow, because Thursday I just want to play as much as I can. Okay, so yeah, I will give you update on this later on. Okay, as and when I will be taking entry. Okay then, just took re-entry. Okay, and again the same thing is happening. Look at this fall. I took entry here. If I will show you this in 1 minute chart, this is what, 3 o'clock, right? Exact 3 o'clock, and I took entry exactly at 2:59. Okay, 2:59, yeah. So as and when I am taking entry, I don't know what is happening, and market is falling drastically. So yeah, this is not giving me any chance to just play out the way I want to, but yeah, can't help it. Have to play, have to just look. Okay, what else I can do? And now see, the maximum SL I can take is 6k. Okay, so yeah, I will be giving you update on this later on. Okay then. Okay then, time is 3:21, and as of now the running profit is 4600 rupees. And let's see the at the what the hell it is, at just the SL for me here will be now break even, or I will be taking exit anytime myself. Okay, I will just wait for a while, but the way market is falling, I think I should take the exit now only. Yeah, break even will be the SL for me. Let's see. Okay, I think it will hit my break even anytime. This time I'm not going to wait for anything. I will simply take the exit. That's why I have taken position in normal, because yesterday what happened, I took position in MIS, and after 320 we are not allowed to do adjustment according to us, or to score off the trade according to us. So that's why I had to sit yesterday. This time I won't be doing the same mistake. Okay, I will be exiting. Okay, why I exited? Wait, let me show you this. This is the reason. This low has broken, and this was the adjustment for me, and I was about to tell you, but this has got broken, so I simply took the exit. A kind of break even day for me, I would say, with charges and all. I won't be saying it's a frustrating day for any seller, but the second half, this one was a bit frustrating. And why it didn't play out well for me, the reason was very simple, because of my entry point and entry timing. If you will see where I have taken entry, two entry I will be telling you, and you will be amazed after seeing this. I took entry at 2:15 first entry, and what happened there? This is the 2:15 candle. Just at the opening of this candle I took the entry, and I took exit at 220. Okay, तो मैंने यहाँ पे कहीं पे एग्जिट किया. इतने बड़े फॉल को ये पुट just spiked a lot, call didn't give its value. So what happened, whatever gain I was sitting with, I guess 5k 6k, sorry 7k was the gain, it just got washed out. Second, when I took exit here, I thought I will be taking entry after when market will be sideways. So here I thought, sorry, market will find its zone. So here I took entry at exactly 2:59 if you will see. So if I will show you candle in 1 minute chart, where is 2:59 candle? This one. I took entry here, and look what happened after that. This fall happened, and yeah, this is the reason I was never in a big profit. Initially in the morning I was in a profit of like 13-14k, but after then my entry timing was not good, or it was not my day, I would say, because as and when I was taking entry, it was just playing with me, and yeah, this happens, and I'm loving it, I would say. So this is the end of the video. So I hope you are loving you are liking the analysis which I have done, and all the adjustment which I am doing. And if you are learning anything from it, and if my analysis and my adjustment are making sense to you, then please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.